Hmm.
Good morning. Today's lecture topic is advanced data type, list and list operation. List is one of the advanced data types used in Python. There are four data types available in Python: list, tuple, set and dictionary. In today's lecture, we are going to see what is list and what are all the operations we have to perform using list. What do you mean by data structure? Data structure sequence is a basic data structure. First, we have to understand what is data structure. First of all, we have to store the elements in the memory. For storing the element in the memory, we have to use any one of the data structures available. Data structure means group of data elements that are put together under one name. In one single common name, we are going to save group of elements. That is called data structure. The basic idea of storing the data in the memory is we have to use in future. Data structure defines a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer. We have to store the data in the computer, we have to use one data structure. That is mentioned here. It is a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently in future. If you want to use the data elements in future, we have to storing in an organized way. That is called data structure. Then next one, sequence is a basic data structure. What do you mean by sequence? Sequence means next to next. Element is present in a sequential order. That is, next to next index position, the element will be present. Previously, we saw string is a sequence structure, right? Sequence is the most basic data structure in Python. In sequence, each element has a specific index. Element is present next to next. Each element is having specific index position and then index value is also present. This index value starts from 0, same as we saw in string. In string also, index value is present, index starts from 0 and ends with n-1. Same concept is here. This index value starts from 0 and is automatically incremented for the next element. In Python, sequence is the generic term for an ordered set. That is, the element is present next to next, one by one. Sequentially, all the elements are present with the index position. For example, we have already studied strings, which are a sequence of character. You all know string is a sequence of character. Each character is present on a particular index position. Next, Python has some basic built-in function that helps programmers to manipulate elements that form a part of a sequence. These functions including finding the length of the sequence, finding the largest and smallest elements in a sequence, etc. These are all some of the operations we can perform in sequence. Other operations that can be performed on a sequence including indexing, slicing, adding, manipulating and checking for membership. These are all some of the operations we can perform in sequence. If the element is present in sequence, we can perform this kind of operations. That is known as indexing, slicing, adding, multiplying the sequence and checking for a membership. Checking for a membership in the sense, if a particular element is present in that sequence, by using the membership operator, in, not in operator, we saw in the operators concept, right? That is the checking for membership. Checking for membership means if a particular element in the present in the sequence or not. If the element is present in the sequence, the output will be true. If the element is not present in the sequence, the output will be false. Okay. Now coming to list. First we saw what is data structure. Next we saw what is sequence, because sequence is a basic data structure available in Python, right? Now coming into list. List is a advanced data type in Python. One of the advanced data type. Python consists of 4 advanced data type: list, tuple, set and dictionary. Whereas list is one of the advanced data type available in Python. What do you mean the list first? List is a versatile data type available in Python. It is a sequence in which elements are written as a list of comma separated values. In list, element is present in comma separated value within the square bracket. That is items. Items, elements both are same. Items is present in comma separated value within the square bracket. The key feature of a list is that elements that belongs to different data types. Within the list, we can group or we can organize any data type, whether it is a string, whether it is a floating point number, whether it is an integer number, or it may be a character, or list consists of another list. See, this is the syntax for creating a list. This is list underscore variable. This is the list variable name. In this name, we can store the group of elements within the square bracket with comma separated value. List variable equal to within the square bracket n number of elements are present. That is value 1, value 2, value 3, value 4 up to value n. We are grouping n number of elements in a single common name, that is list data type. We are using list data type here for storing or grouping n number of elements. These elements may be these elements may be of different data types. Whether the element present within the list may be an integer, may be a floating point value, may be a string, or may be a character, or list consists of another list. This is the syntax for creating a list. This is called different data types. Belongs to the different data types. Elements that belongs to different data types. The elements present inside this grouping may be in different data type. See, this is the example. We write this program in ideally list underscore a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the list variable name. In this name, we are store these elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 elements are integer data type. Next, print list underscore a. If you want to print the elements present in this list, we are going to give the print statement. After creating the list, we are giving this print statement. Print list underscore a. You will get the output like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, see, list underscore b equal to a, b, c, d, e. 5 character elements are grouped in a list enclosed within. This element is enclosed within the square bracket by comma separated value. We will print this list b. Print list underscore b. We will get this output a, b, c, d, e. See this. This is the third example. List underscore c equal to good comma going. This is the string, right? Already you people know. String is enclosed within the double quotes. Within the quotes only we have to give the string value. Good comma going. We have to print this list c. Print list underscore c. We will get the output like this. Good comma going. Last, see the last one. List underscore d equal to, this list consists of mixing of all the data types, grouping of elements coming under different data types, that is 1 comma a comma b c d. 1 is an integer, a is a character, b c d is a string. So we will print list underscore d, you will get the output like this. This is the example. In previous slide we saw what is list and we saw the syntax for creating a list. This is an example for creating a list. In this example, we created a list consist of only integer element. This is the another list with the character. This is the another list string. This list consists of only string. The fourth one, this list consists of integer, this list consists of integer, character and string value. Hope you people understand what is list, what is the syntax for list, how to create list. Next one, after creating a list, we created a list. Now we are going to see how to access values in a list. Similar to strings, already we know what are strings, what are all the string operations. Similar to list can also be sliced and concatenated. What do you mean by sliced? By using slicing operator, we can create a subset of a list. We can create a subset of a string. So slice and concatenating means we are combining the two lists or we are combining the two strings. That is concatenation. To access values in the list, if you want to access a value in a list, square brackets are used to slice along with the index or indices to get values stored at that index. We created a list with comma separated value. Each element present in the list has index position. Index position starts from 0, ends with n-1. If you want to access values from the list, if you want to retrieve a value from the list, we have to use slice operator, that is square bracket. Inside the square bracket, we have to give the index position of that particular element. You will get the element. We can slice the element. We can slice the list by using slicing operator. That is given here. To access values in list, square brackets are used to slice along with the index or indices. Index or indices means index position of the element to get value stored at that index. Next, what is the syntax for slice operation? This is the syntax for slice operation. Sequence seq equal to list of within this square bracket. This two square bracket is known as slice operator. Within the slice operator, we have to give the starting index value, stop index value and then step value. Step value is optional. If you want, you can give or else you can leave the step value. Step value is also known as stride value. See, this is the example. Num underscore list. Num underscore list is a list variable name. In this list variable name, we are creating a list within the square bracket because we all know what is the syntax. Within the square bracket, the elements are grouped with comma separated values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally 10 items are present in this list by using comma enclosed. These elements are enclosed within the square bracket. We created the list in the first instruction. What is the second instruction? Print num underscore list is colon. Within the double quotes, we are giving this num underscore list is colon, comma num underscore list. If you want to print the whole list, if I want to print the whole list, we have to give num underscore list. In the print statement, I have to give this list variable name num underscore list. What is the output for this print statement? See this output here. Num underscore list is colon. This is present because in the print statement within the double quotes we are giving this num underscore list is colon. So that is present here. Num underscore list is colon. Our question is we have to print num underscore list. We have to print the created list. If we give the list variable name, it will show the output like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The output consists of what we created, what list we created, what are the elements present in this list, it will come here. See the next print statement. Print first element in the list is, comma, num underscore list of. Within the square bracket, if we give the index position, it will give the value present in that particular index position. What index position we gave? Num underscore list of 0. I want the element present in the 0 index position. What is the element present in the 0 index position? 1. Because index value starts from 0, ends with the n minus 1. Starts from 0 means what is the index position of 1? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The index position of 10 is 9 because n minus 1. Totally this list consists of 10 elements. 10 minus 1, 9. Index position ends with 9 over here. The output of this statement is num underscore list of 0. What is the output? 1 is the output. The index position 0 consists of the value 1. Next, by this method only we are accessing the values from the list, right? What is the next print statement? Print num underscore list of 2:5 equal to, within the double quotes we are giving here, it will present here, num underscore list 2:5 equal to num underscore list of 2:5. What do you mean by 2? Start and then stop. Your index position starts from 2. I want to access the value from index position 2 and ends with 5. Ends with 5, stop. We all know what is the syntax. For if the stop value is given as 5, we have to take it as 4. We have to decrement the one value. So 2:4. What is the value present in the index position 2? 0, 1, 2, 3. From 3 ends with 5, in the sense you have to decrement the stop value. So 4. So the output is 3, 4, 5. Clear? 3, 4, 5. We have to stop it over 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index position 4. Index value starts from 2 and ends with 4. 3, 4, 5. The output is 3, 4, 5. Next one. Next is this print statement. Print num underscore list. No start, no stop. They are giving 2 stride value. That is 2 step value. You have to skip the, you have to print the value, leave the before 2 element, and then you have to print the 2. Step is 2. So they don't give the start, they don't give the stop. So we have to take from starting list to ending list. The output is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First start is print, that is 1. The step value is 2. We have to leave 1 and 2, and then 3 will be print, and then the step value is 2. 3, 4 is left, and then 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Because the step value is 2. See the last print statement. Print num underscore list 1 colon, stop value is not given, 3. Num underscore list 1, start is given, stop is not given, step value is 3. Stop is not given means you have to consider the whole list. The output is, the start is 1, first index position. We have to start from index position 1, 0, 1. So the first element is 2, 5, 8 because the step value is 3. This is how we can slice the list by using slice operator. Next one, next operation. Updating values in list. We created a list. How to update our list? How to modify our list? Once the list is created, one or more elements of the list can be easily updated by giving the slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. By 3 methods we can update our list. First method is by using slice operator. By slice operator on the left hand side of the assignment operator. You all know what is assignment operator. Equal to is an assignment operator. If you want to assign a value to a particular variable, only by using assignment operator we can assign a value to a particular variable. Here same assignment operator is used for updating the list. Second one, what is the another method? You can also append new values in the list. You can also use append method for updating the list. The one thing is, by using append method, we are updating our list. The element we want to update is directly present in the end of list. The list will be updated at the end only. For that purpose, we will use this append method, and then we have to use del statement to delete a element present in the list. By these three ways, we can update the values in a list. We can change the values in the list, because list is mutable. What do you mean by mutable? Mutable in the sense we can modify the created list, whereas tuple is another data type. We cannot modify the values present in the tuple data type. If we use tuple data type, we created a tuple. No, we can't able to change the values present in the created tuple. Whereas list is not like that. We can change the list, created list. We can update the values in the list by using these three operations. By using assignment operator, that is slice is given in the left side of the assignment operator. Then by using append method, we can append the value in the end of the list, and then we can delete the elements present in the list by using this del statement. Now we are going to see the example for these three operations. See here. First, we created a list, num underscore list. This is the list variable name. You all know there is a syntax for creating an identifier. All the variable name is an identifier, right? Num underscore list equal to, we created a list. The created list consists of 10 elements. All the values are integer element from 1 to 10 enclosed within the square bracket by comma separated values. These elements are present in a comma separated value. See the next print statement. Print, we print the list. Directly we just print the list. Num underscore list. We give the list variable name over here. It will show the output like this. Right? This list is, why this list is coming over here? Nothing but in the print statement, anything we give within the double quotes, it will print here. List is colon. We said we have to print the list, created list, num underscore list. It will print 1 to 10 elements. Our list is printed over here. Next, see the next print statement. Num underscore list within the slice operator, that is the square bracket. Inside the two square bracket, we give 5. This 5 means this is the index position. This is the assignment operator. This is the value 100. This value 100 is present in the 5th index position. Have to present in the 5th index position. Already this 5th index position is having what value? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5th index position is having the value 6. Now our question is, we have to update the index position 5. If you want to update the index position 5 by using our first method, what is our first method? By using assignment operator. Slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. Remember, slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. What is slice over here? This is the slice. This 2 square bracket is slice. Slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. This is the assignment operator equal to slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. Inside the slice, we have to give the index position of the element to be updated. Index to be updated. This 5th index position have to be updated to the value 100. So 100 is the value. By using this assignment operator, we are assigned this 100 to the index position 5. Already this fifth index position is having the value 6. This 6 will be updated to 100. This is the statement. Now we have to be updated. Now we have to print the output. Now we give the num underscore list. What is the output? List after updation is, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100 is present here. Previously, what is present in this fifth index position? 6 is present in this fifth index position, right? 6. This 6 is updated to 100. Clear? See next one. First method is over, right? By using slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. What is the next method? By using the append method. If we want to update our list by using append method, num underscore list dot append of 200. We have to append this 200 to our created list. See the output. List after appending a value is num underscore list. Again we try to print our list. See what is the output. List after appending a value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 7, 8, 9, 10, 200. Our appended value 200 is appended at the end of our list. Previously our list consists of this value, right? Before that starting, we created a list with the element 1 to 10. Second, after the updation by using the assignment operator, 6 is updated to 100. Then next one, 200 is appended. This list is updated with the 200 at the end of the list. See, if you want to delete a value present in the index position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, print. So del, this is the del is a keyword. If you want to delete a particular element present in a list, we have to use this del statement. Del space num underscore list of 3. Inside this slice, we have to give the index position. This 3 is the index position. I have to delete the element present in the index position 3. Right? 3. What is the element present in this index position 3? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See the output of this statement. Print num underscore list. After deleting the element, we have to print the list. List after deleting a value is, what is the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 200. This value, the index position, the element present in the index position 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 is not present over here because we deleted the element 4. By this 3 way, we can update the created list. Right? Shall we conclude today's lecture? In today's lecture, we saw what is advanced data type, and then one of the advanced data type is list. We saw some of the operations, list operations. First one, before going into list, we saw what is data structure and what is sequence, right? And then we saw what is list. This is the definition and this is the syntax for creating a list. You all know this is the list variable name. Group of elements present in a list enclosed within a square bracket by using comma separated values are present. This is the example we saw. Then after creating a list, how to access values in the list? We can access the values by using slice operator. The syntax for slicing, sequence equal to list of start, stop and step. Step is an optional, step is also known as try. This is the syntax, right? Then how to update values in the list? We saw by using 3 methods, we can update the values in the list. One is by using assignment operator. Next, second one is by using append method. Third one is del statement. We saw the examples for the updating a list. Hope you understand. Thank you.